of the solutions that I personally like is debt consolidation, right? Is different debt consolidation methods and loans and products. And I just implemented the top two that I personally recommend. There's others that are good for debt consolidation, but Happy Money and Meet Tally are the top tools that I personally recommend. And I also recommend to external family, friends, or clients that present that issue that they're having with certain debt, specifically credit card debt, in this example. And then I'm also going to talk about balance transfer credit cards that are also very lucrative and also great products as well. But by a show of ones in the chat, have you heard about Happy Money or Meet Tally? Or come off mute if you did. And we're gonna go on the website and make it interactive to show you how does their product or service actually work.
Yeah, I'm not familiar.
You're not familiar, right, Vincent?
Yeah, no, haven't heard of it.
Got it. Perfect. Yeah. So let's go over to Happy Money. Gotcha. Okay, so we haven't heard it. That's great. Let's go over to Happy Money. And Happy Money is a debt consolidation loan that individuals may qualify for many different factors, right? Depending on the size of the debt, the certain credit score, and the intricacy of how you need to maneuver this. And we'll make it interactive on the website and why I like Happy Money so much. So let me know if you guys see my screen. We're on the Happy Money website. See my screen? Yes, one's in the chat.
We see it.
Perfect. All right. Perfect. So this is a debt consolidation loan, personal loan service that's great, right? I know a lot of individuals that went this route and they wiped out their personal credit card debt. So just to throw numbers, right? So we could have like a better image. Let's say our total debt across 3 credit cards is $10,000, right? Let's keep it with fixed numbers. Say our total debt is $10,000. You will find services like Happy Money or Meet Tally to cover your $10,000 debt and wipe it out from the 3 credit cards. Why? Because with those 3 credit cards, you're probably getting charged interest on top of your minimum payments. So you're putting in payments, right? But then the interest is biting you on the back end. So it's like you're dumping money on an empty bag. Like you're throwing dollar bills into a basket and there's a hole in the bottom of the bucket. And it's just going out, right? Has everyone been through that or know somebody that's been through that? Like you're making payments, but the interest is just biting you on the other end, and you're just literally throwing money down a drain. Yes, no's, ones, twos. So perfect. Yeah. So that's the main reason why personal debt consolidation loans is very key, and I love it, right? I love the products because they can just, like I said, for example, I stated they could just wipe out your 10K debt across all 3 credit cards. So now you don't have interest between 3 different products. You're just gonna pay interest on this one Happy Money loan, for example, that you got for $10,000. So you're saving money. You're saving money and you're getting like lower interest all in all. And Aaron here said in the chat, use your credit union for personal loan. They often give rate discounts because, yep, perfect. That's extra sauce as well. So you want to foster the relationships you do have with your existing credit unions or even external credit union that you do have. Obviously not the one that you're behind on payments on, but if you're still behind on payments and they give you a personal loan, why not? They probably they like you a lot. So if they give you that offer and it makes sense interest wise, why not do it? So like Happy Money says, you only get happier from here. That's a great slogan. This is a personal loan, right? Let's go over some of the features they do have. Straight to the point, funded by community focused lenders. It's not lending any cost, lending made happier, right? So it seems like they're happy to lending money if you qualify. They've been featured on many different articles. Pay off credit card debt and fund your happiness, right? So these personal loans vary from 5K to 40K, and they're as low as 11%. So like Martin said, I was being polite with the 70% debt on the example I gave. Some people have APRs at like 20, 25, 28%. So if you're getting a steal for 11% from Happy Money, and they're giving you a loan to wipe out your 10K, your 30K, your 40K debt, right? And this is personal loans, right? So if you're thinking like Vincent said, medical bills, your car, this you still may qualify for this product, not just credit cards in specific. And we'll get into that once we actually try to apply. Yeah, most cars like average that are 29%, and that's absurd. So this is a steal as well. And one simple monthly payment, apply in 2 minutes, and you save money on interest. And these are success stories here. So let's get to some of the requirements. Let's just just check my rate and let's see. So whenever you guys utilize this, you know what you're gonna expect. So first name, let's say Robert. Last name Smith. Classic American name. Birthday, let's say, I don't know, August 23rd, 1970. Right? You want to get to know you, say zip code, let's say 1023. I don't know what area code is that or what state, but yeah. Type in your address, let's say 123 Fox Street, let's say Nevada. And Nevada is a state. Las Vegas. Let's say we're in Vegas. Hopefully they don't flag me and say I'm a fraud. Oh, we don't land in your state. Interesting. Enter your email. Let's say New York then. Let's say I'm from the Bronx, New York. So I should just put this area code. Let's see. Yes, continue. Phone number. Right, they're gonna send an SMS. So in this example, I'll do it my phone number. If you guys want to contact my personal number, feel free. Just say you're part of Level Up, and I'll assist. Let's say annual income. Let's say we're at 125 a year, right? Base salary, not including external factors. My income source is commission only. Nope. We have salary. Let's say rent in New York, let's say 3,000, right? So just so you know, these are the type of questions they're going to ask. They're trying to calculate your DTI in this example, right? Yeah. They're trying to calculate your DTI. What is your day-to-day expenses, just to get a better fixed rate of what they can offer you in this example. So your loan offers will be in the next page. Can I put a random email? Let's put one of my old emails. Don't blow me up, as Martin said. This is my last name, first name. Perfect. Agree and check my rate. And they're just doing their calculations and boom, I don't know what's going to happen. Okay. How would you like to borrow, right? So we'll put the amount that we have in debt that we're looking to get. In this example was 10,000. And then from there, their systems will crunch the numbers and they'll put together a plan to see how much you qualify. Sorry, not approved. Many external reasons, I'm not sure. And then from there, that you'll get the approval rate either from live on the website or via email on what exactly happened. So they just want to get, like I said, they want to get together like who you are as an individual, your income. Obviously that was just fixated and made up. And then from there, this is a viable option to, to get the debt consolidation loan you do need to pay off your credit card debt.